Hello everyone, this is once again Juan or John Mark De Jose and welcome once again dito sa ating One on Juan. Maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagsuporta. Stick tayo sa ating goal to inspire our fellow OFWs. Asahan ko po ang patuloy niyong pagsuporta. Ang guest natin ay isa sa aking masasabi kong una kong mga naging kaibigan dito sa Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Let me introduce to you our guest for this episode. Proud Kapampangan, a financial analyst since 2009 up to the present here in Saudi Arabia. Please help me welcome our guest for this episode. Hello sir, welcome po.
Hi GM, magandang umaga.
Ano yung magiging advice mo sa lahat in general, sa mga OFWs?
Education, that's a key to overcome poverty. Yun yung paniniwala ko. Of course, God being the center of your life as well.
Amen.
And I think it will follow. You have to equip yourself. And equipping yourself would mean, if not for yourself, for your children, to give them the best education that they can possibly get. And that's the best investment you can give to them. As OFW, lalo na yung mga na-encounter ko na hindi pa sila nag-graduate din. Pero right now, they can be educated. Kumbaga ma-receive nila yung degree nila online. Like AMA, mga schools na nag-offer. Lalo na nangyayari yung pandemic. So, they can elevate pa yung employment nila, tumaas pa yung sahod nila. Kasi yun yung tool mo to invest, to earn money.
Mentioning that, meron tayong kilala na ginawa yun during pandemic, nag-graduate siya with flying colors pa.
Correct.
Diba?
Ano yun?
Abangan
may preview?
Preview yun. Abangan nyo lang kasi may interview natin yun. For sure, maraming may inspire. Rogie, maraming salamat and truly you are blessed.
Thanks, John, for allowing me in your platform to be interviewed.
Actually, matagal na kami nagkakilala ni Rogie. Isa sa mga yayamanin ko na friends dito. I mean, that since, kailangan maging close tayo
Slight
sa mga...
lang, hindi naman.
By the way, he is a distinguished Toastmaster. Halos kasabayan tayo pumasok ng Toastmasters.
2014.
You can also plug Toastmasters if your followers are interested.
After 4 years ko dito sa Saudi, wala akong alam na gagawin how to improve my communication. Although, nung nagturo ako somehow, na-develop na rin yun. Pero, to become a public speaker and to develop yung leadership mo, I was encouraged to join Toastmasters.
What is Toastmasters?
Well, Toastmasters is a communication and leadership club na kung saan pwede kang mag-practice, paano mag-communicate, mag-deliver ng speeches. You also have the opportunity to become an officer of the club so that alam mo kung paano yung pag-run ng isang organization. So somehow, it touches on the communication and leadership. We meet every Tuesday, 7:30 till 9:30 at Jollibee, Sulemania.
Akala ko, yung Toastmaster, akala ko nag-iihaw-ihaw. Hindi pala yun.
Hindi. Toastmasters is a communication and leadership club. And we have all sorts of profession there. Or kahit hindi ka man natapos, you can still join. We have doctors, we have engineers.
So, hindi kailangan na engineer ka, hindi kailangan na graduate ka, college graduate.
Yung
so,
iba nga nagjo-join sila kasi they wanted to develop yung, or
confidence.
Ipasa rin nila yung IELTS nila.
IELTS.
Yeah, so it's important dun sa pag-migrate nila sa ibang bansa para ma-develop yung communication. Hindi na sila mahirapan na mag-test dun sa mga exam ng IELTS.
Pero actually, dun kami nagkakilala sa Toastmasters. So, ang saya lang natin ng mga panahon na yun, di ba? Parang usual class lang siya. So, learning by doing yung motto doon.
And they have mentors.
We have mentors para for you to improve yourself.
Yes.
Not just your communication, di ba? And of course, sabi nga dyan, to be the best version of yourself.
Yes, version 2.0. You are the best version of yourself.
Yes, so Toastmasters, yan, check nyo lang po. Check nyo lang.
TRTC.
TRTC.
Tikpa Riyadh Toastmasters.
This is a group of accountants, but
originally,
pero hindi siya required na accountant ka. Kahit nasa food chain ka nag-work, kahit sa restaurant, kahit
we have
wala pong pinipili.
mga waiters,
mga
members na sa household.
Malaking bagay kasi Yung iba talaga mahihain, no? Yung
Yes.
Kahit na magkipag-usap,
Mm.
walang confidence. So,
Thank you so much, John. for
Thank you.
promoting that.
thank you so much. Toastmaster talaga. Alright guys, maraming salamat.
Kung OFW ka, bida ka!
So ayun na nga guys, ayan, kung nakatagal pa rin kayo, kung nandito pa rin kayo, maraming salamat, and once again, please continue to support this page, Juan Talks, and you can share this video sa mga friends nyo, sa family nyo. Ayan, thank you po, bye-bye!